Om. Namaste. I know all are eagerly awaiting for this part of the video in continuation of Samyama. In the year 2004, having lost the job from a very well paying corporate job, having experienced 3 days of beggary life in Badrinath, as guided by Babaji, I returned to Bangalore only to lose my job. My previous video, if you open and see, you can find more details on this very particular subject. The moment my astrological office was started in Malleshwaram, simultaneously I wanted to form a trust, Sri Mahavatar Babaji Sannidhan Seva Trust. So immediately I put in action, no building, no money, with a small contribution of 5,000 rupees. We started registering the trust in the year 2005 or 6. But there was no balance in the trust. There was no income in the trust. Then as usual, I printed a receipt book and started asking contribution from the clients who come to me who are happy. One client was very happy. In those days itself, he gave 500 rupees. I gave a receipt to him. The person went, but on that day evening, I got a message from Mahavatar Babaji, bundle the 10 receipt books and keep it in quarantine. Do not ask any contribution from anybody. Don't show your hand like this. That was the first receipt for donation, and that was the last receipt for donation as far as Mahavatar Babaji Sannidhan Seva Trust is concerned. Then we do not know what to do. One day on a auspicious Tuesday, Babaji revealed one particular yantra to be conceived. Rest of the yantra details we have already given in our previous video. You can go there and see. But this particular video is on a different topic, what we wanted to give to you. In fact, as we said in the video related to the yantra, all the expenditure till today is borne by us, myself and Mataji, out of our personal fund. All the income goes to Mahavatar Babaji Sannidhan Seva Trust. It is that money and some time to time contribution to the trust. We have some money and we are able to do some charity work. Almost ₹1 lakh is accounted as expenses for the maintenance of Mahavatar Babaji Sannidhan Seva Trust, like rent of the building, puja activities, the prasadam making, the electricity charges, the staff salary, the computer peripherals, paper, the yantra preparing charges, the sanctifying the yantra, the puja part of the yantra, the packing, shipping and administrative work. For none of the above activities we charge or debit the amount from Babaji Sannidhan. We pay from our pocket. Only the amount which some members give goes to the Babaji Trust directly, and we don't have a debit. If at all there is a debit in our trust account, it will be towards Prime Minister or Chief Minister's Relief Fund, some blind association, some charity association, some poor people, feeding the poor people, giving provision to poor people, giving food to poor people. Only for these purposes, for studies, some schools, some fees. Even yesterday we had given food arrangement for 50 persons in Home for Faith in Bangalore, a charity organization who has got orphanage. Whatever money I get as Guru Dakshana also will not be used by me. It goes only to trust and for the poor people. This is the fact. Anyone who comes to Babaji Sannidhan, though you are not the member, though you may not be a contributor, though you may not be a donor, can very well ask us to show the passbook and go through all the details. Now, the yantra what we are talking, Mahavatar Babaji Siddha Mandala Karya Siddhi Yantra, it is a very secret yantra revealed by Mahavatar Babaji. I wanted to take part by part some of the features, some of the spiritual hidden power about this particular yantra. Do not go literally, the power means the authority. Do not go the moment wealth means don't go by currency. The money or the wealth will come in several ways. When you want to earn wealth, you should not go towards wealth. You should go towards spirituality. Automatically wealth will come to you through samyama. That is what we are going to show you now. Just keenly watch this video. Do not discontinue here and there and ask us some unwanted questions. We will not be able to give you. You want to ask any question, you yourself can rewind the video and see, then you can answer. You will be better judge and you will be in a better position to give answer to some of the members who ask a question after seeing the videos. Okay. The yantra was done in a very auspicious time. The yantra had to be designed by me personally as guided by Babaji. All the ritualistic process have been followed in conceiving a yantra, in drawing the yantra. It took almost a month for me to draw the yantra and bring it to a shape, which you are seeing now on the screen. I have mentioned in the guidelines to the yantra some details. Let us go through all these things. Though space envelops the whole universe, the human experiences are influenced and confined to the zodiacal path of planets demarcated by the stars and constellations. The guidance received from Mahavatar Babaji in conceiving this yantra is based on this understanding. The yantra is encompassed with 12 rashis. The sun and the moon can be seen in the inner circle of the yantra, right side and left side of Babaji. There are 9 planets inscribed in the inner circle. There are 27 stars in the middle circle. Each star has got 4 padas, making 27 into 4 is equal to 108 padas. These 108 padas are in the outer circle. The new moon and the full moon are on the left and right side of Babaji. Day and night, Sadguru Mahavatar Babaji is seated in the center. Around Babaji, there are 18 Siddhas who created tradition with Mahavatar Babaji at the center of the point. Babaji's birth details are given, birthplace, birth details, birth year, all are given in the inner circle of the yantra. Keeping these things in mind, you can write down on a piece of paper, and if you involve the samyama, the dharana, dhyana and samadhi, and culminating all the 3 into one as samyama, one who does this kriya with full concentration will lose the self-awareness after a few minutes of doing this one. Before going to this kriya, whatever is your icha, whatever is your desire, whatever is your aspiration has to be remembered so that that which you are seeking will come back to you. When you use the previous part of the guidelines in performing the samyama on this yantra, spiritually, materialistically, physically, and socially or business wise, lots and lots of improvement can be seen within you. Besides achieving what you want, behind this particular yantra, we have also conceived a Karya Siddhi yantra. This particular Karya Siddhi yantra has some mystical images. There are so many benefits which you can happy home, comfortable life in and around you, confidence, courage, family progress. You can see a snake. This gives knowledge, wisdom, healing from diseases. There is a ship. This indicates courage, success in all your activities. There is an arrow. This gives protection from evil eyes, dangers for self and family. There is a image of sun god. Power, authority, wealth, success in politics will be achieved. There is a diamond which ensures prosperity, protection for family from all troubles. There is a tree, perennial family progress and safety. And finally, musical instrument, especially veena or guitar. It gives confidence, peace, prosperity, happiness, and confidence in any matter. All these things can be achieved by one and all, provided you do samyama on it, as we discussed in the previous part of the video. Just bringing a BMW car and keeping it in the garage, the car will not run. You will have to bring it, you will have to bring home, put some petrol, learn how to drive a vehicle, take the vehicle outside, check whether all the mechanical and electric and all working conditions are perfectly in order. You will have to check whether the brake system is perfectly okay, the weather condition is okay, the road condition is okay, you have a driving license. You will have to take the vehicle, start the vehicle, insert the key before that, and maneuver the vehicle. Then only the vehicle can move. In the same way, dharana, dhyana, and becoming aikya in it, by becoming submerging in the yantra through samadhi, when all the 3 points are merged together, your successful samyama happens. By the day passes, by the week passes, by the month passes, many things, many auspicious things will follow you. A peculiar person shared his experience. He states that he went to hotel number 1, he has taken one cake and came out. His stomach was not full, still he felt hungry. He went to the hotel number 2, you took one dosa, then he came out, he felt that still hungry is there. He went to hotel number 3, 2 pieces of idli and 1 vada. He was not at all happy. He went to hotel number 4. He took half a cup of coffee. He was fulfilled and he felt half cup of coffee has given him full satisfaction. When you do samyama of this particular yantra, many auspicious things will come to you. Don't get confused that the yantra did not work. I met one particular X, he gave me these results. Do not assume in that way. All comes to you as a result of doing samyama of this particular yantra. As a result, all the prayers should be devoted, directed all the time towards this yantra, and all the benefits will definitely reach you. Not later, but sooner. We will wish you all the very best. ओम सद्गुरु बाबा जी नमः। ओम सद्गुरु बाबा जी नमः। ओम सद्गुरु बाबा जी नमः।